Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making classic mashed potatoes. Now, it's a real simple recipe, and it will be the base of any other, basically base of any other mashed potato recipe that you want to make. You can add stuff to this and make an incredible night, or you can just have it this way and this tastes great even without the gravy. So let's get it going, and we'll show you how to make it, and when you try it you'll really enjoy it. But what you're gonna need is 2 pounds of potatoes, a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter, and then salt and pepper to taste. So as you can see, that's all you're going to need for this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to boil these potatoes up. I got 2 pounds up here. Then we're going to peel them and work on putting this together. So let's get this going. Let's go boil these potatoes. Okay guys, as you can see, we got the water boiling. So all what you gotta need to do here, you get the water boiling. I just put it on the stove, put a little bit of water in it, and put some salt in it to get it going. And the salt will help with the potatoes too. So that just helps them with get the water boiling too. So okay, we're gonna let these boil for about 25-30 minutes, and then we'll take care of the rest. So as these are boiling, I'll get everything else ready. Okay guys, I got the potatoes done. They are cooked, boiled for 30 minutes. So it's soft but still a little firm. So they are still a little hot, but so you want to be careful with these, but you just want to cut them up like that, and we'll just go ahead and peel the get the thing peeled off, and also can use a little peeler here. And off to the side here. Alright, and just want to cut this up just a little bit. As you do it, just throw it in there. And then you just do your second half. Okay, we'll just cut that into, alright, throw it in there. Okay, well I'm going to finish peeling the rest of these potatoes, and then I'll join back in with you. So, alright, I'll see you guys in just a few minutes. Alright guys, we got this all done. I got potatoes and cleaned up a little bit here. So, well, there you go. You see the potatoes are all in there. Next thing you want to do, put in your 2 tablespoons of butter, and you want to put in your cup of milk, alright, set those over there. Yeah, just take your potato masher and you just work on getting it mashed up in there. Want to get them, I'm just going to scrape the bottom every once in a while and get it all broke up. want to get it smooth, but still have some of the lumps in there, because the lumps are what makes it really good. Alright, and you just want to, I got to put a little bit of salt in there, just for your own personal taste, a little bit of pepper, and just get it good mixed in there. We'll set that over here. Alright, as you can see, there's your mashed potatoes. So let's go ahead and give this a little try right there. Okay, so here we go. We're going to give this a little try. Alright. Oh gosh, this is so good. This tastes good even without the gravy, like I said. Good classic. Oh my. Okay, guys. So this is the classic mashed potatoes. Something real simple to do. So what you got to do cooking wise is boil the potatoes, and you just kind of mix and mash the stuff together. Real simple. I think you guys will enjoy it. You just want to get it, when you smash the potatoes, you want to make them smooth but still leave a few chunks in there. Chunks in there is what makes the homemade mashed potatoes really good. So okay guys, please leave a comment below, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do cooking videos like this. I have one done. I try to get one out every Saturday. And I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing adventure type videos as well. So guys, I'll see you next video, and enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. I'm gonna finish eating this up a little bit.